Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to do an event in Roblox Studio. So first step is that we can just create a park. So I move my mouse cursor to workspace, click on the plus sign, and I select parks. So I have like a little brick here, something like that. I'm just gonna rename it to item 1, and I'm just gonna change the color. Let's say if I just pick like this, and then just change the material to something else, pebble maybe, or try another one, maybe sand, like that. So what I like to do is that I have an item here, and when the player touches the item, and it will display which body part of the player that touched the item. What I like to do is that I have an item here, and when the player touches the item, and it will display which body part of the player that touched the item. In this menu here, there's an icon say object browser, like that. Now we will show you that all the information here, and what we're interested is called parks. This is what it parks. And underneath park, you scroll down, and there's many information, but this is kind of like event, and this one called touch. And when we use this event, you pass let's say a parameter, and from that parameter we can ask the member of the base park. Let's create a script. So go to workspace here, click the plus sign, select script. So that's hello world, so just remove this. I'm gonna connect event that touch that. So what you want to do is you want to write a game dot and then the workspace. So like this, workspace, and then the park that you want to put in. So in this case, my park item. So I press I, select this, and then after that, you can also select touch. They go T, touch over here. After that, we're gonna go to this, connect, and select like this. Now we can write our function. So I'll write my function here, and I'm just gonna give it a parameter. So I'm just gonna call like example touch, like an item, just an example. Press enter. So we put an end here so that we end the function. Now I'm just gonna print, print what the park touch. So I'm just bracket, and what we roll here, touch item, which is the parameter, dot dot meaning to dot here, mean concatenation between the strings. After that, I'm just gonna write like add touch. Okay, this item, that. So now basically it say that we create an event for this item 1 here, and then every time there's a touch, and after that it run this function, and it pass the parameter, and from that parameter, I forgot to add here, is that the name of the parts. So this one, like this. Now to test, what I do is I go to test, in play here, I click play or press F5. So I have my character here, just gonna walk toward the item, and let's see. So it say here, basically I touch this item, click down. Oh boy, see, it tells me a lot because I stay too long. So it tells me like left foot at touch, left up play, and it tells you the line number of the script. So say 3 is over here, see, and I printed the touch part, which is like left foot, something like that, dot name, and then the message I want, I touch this item. I go back to this one, and I just gonna go to base plate. Let's say we continue, go around a little bit, and we just go forward. Then it tell you, like, you know, right foot and touch, and it tell you which body part of the character that touch this block. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you to write a function and connect to an event in Roblox Studio. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye!